episode of the Great British Baking Show left me inspired to try and challenge myself and try something new. I'm going to challenge myself to making a Swiss roll cake, which is something I have never done before. You're gonna come along on the journey and you'll get to decide, did I crush it, was I or I need some work. We'll see how it goes. So this is what I'm going to call my lace tries to make a Swiss roll cake. We will see what happens. Wish me luck and challenge accepted from myself.
Pause. Future editing Lacey here. So this was, I was very hopeful. This is more like a watch me struggle and try to execute this. In the end, I mean, it is up to you. I think I did what I could on my first go. Just watch. Anyway, back to it.
Okay, so before we get started on this challenge, I just wanted to speak to the fact that yes, I am using a vintage Pyrex bowl, and I will not be using anything metal on it. However, I will say this, I'm using it because I know I'm going to be using silicone and plastic spatulas today. I'm going to be doing some folding, but also it would be a shame to not use them for the purpose they were intended to. I know that a lot of people collect them, but yes, I have them. But nobody knew they were going to become this iconic thing, and I feel like it is a shame if we just keep them and don't use them for their intended purpose, because that is what they're here for, to mix pastries, food, anything. Basically, they're here to be enjoyed and to help nourish your family. Okay, we're back. Putting the gloves on. So we're going to use 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we're going to whisk that in of granulated sugar with our egg yolks. Done. Nope. Oven's ready. One more tablespoon of oil. And then we're supposed to whisk. Oh my gosh. To whisk that in as well. All together, mixy. I'm going to take some of this and create my colors before I fold everything in. Now, this might really mess everything up, or it might work in my favor. Me forgetting things. Also, I'm going to add in my flavoring. Thank God I said that. So we're doing strawberry, so I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of strawberry flavoring.
So I had originally decided to do strawberries and then changed my mind to do hearts because I thought that they would be easier. And this is where I gave up because everything started to bleed together. So I ended up doing strawberries anyway.
Since I failed at my hearts, I made little abstract strawberries instead. We will see how this goes. Oh, my phone died. I don't have my mic in, but we're gonna finish this and then we'll see how I did. We'll do our best.
You can do it!
I think this is good. I thought this was like not enough, but this is looking like it's turning out. And the internets might know a thing or two about a thing or two. I don't know. Let's see. I put way too much flavoring in this By the way, it's banana flavoring. So that's gonna be a banana with cream with a strawberry cake. I'm definitely gonna have to adjust the levels. And maybe it might be a recipe someday. I'm gonna have to tweak it. Definitely with a different size pan for me. This probably would have been ready in like, I'm saying probably like 8 minutes for me. My oven runs so hot, like I said, so, okay. There's my messed up strawberries, but they're kind of cute. Look at that. It just needs a little cleaning up, but I'm kind of proud of myself.
So, besides it being a little brown on one side, how do you think I did? I'm actually pretty proud of myself for even completing this. I know that it's not the greatest, but I will say I'm gonna try in the future and hopefully it will become better and better, right? Practice makes perfect, right? What do you say, Tallulah? Okay. And we're out.